This video will guide you through the tandem or in-series setup, use, and disposal of Cardinal Health Medevac suction canisters. Demonstrations of all three Medevac systems will be included: Guardian Rigid Suction Canister System, CRD Semi-Rigid Liner Suction Canister System, and Flex Advantage Flexible Liner Suction Canister System. Setup for tandem canister use. Attach the red tube from the ring bracket or outer canister to the vacuum port on the canister lid. Push and twist to ensure a secure connection. Repeat for all canisters in use. Attach the patient tubing to the patient port on the first canister to be used in the series. Remove the right angle adapters from all remaining canisters. Medevac tandem tubes are used to connect the canisters on a roll stand in series. For Guardian and CRD, attach one end of the tandem tube to the ortho port on the first canister with the patient tubing attached. Attach the other end of the tandem tube to the patient port on the next canister in the series. Repeat this process until all canisters are connected. Cap the ortho port on the final canister to end the series and to provide uninterrupted collection of fluid through all canisters. The Flex Advantage tandem tube includes connectors designed specifically for use with the Flex Advantage suction canister system and is not compatible with Guardian or CRD suction canister systems. For Flex Advantage, insert the male tandem tube connector into the tandem port on the first canister with the patient tubing attached. Listen for a click to ensure the connector is fully inserted and locked into place. Attach the female tandem tube valve to the patient port on the next canister in the series. This end includes an internal one-way valve to minimize backflow. Press down firmly to seal the connection. Repeat these steps until all canisters are connected in tandem. Cap the tandem port on the final canister to end the series. Verify that all connections are secure and caps are sealed. Turn vacuum suction on at the vacuum source. If the mounting brackets include an on-off valve, turn to the on position. The system is now ready for use. Fluid collection in a tandem canister setup. When suction is on and the Medevac tandem canister system is in use, fluid collects in the first canister. When the first canister is full, the fluid will flow into the next canister in series through the attached tandem tube until it is full and continue through all canisters. It is recommended that the last canister in the tandem setup not be filled completely to allow overflow from the other canisters. Disconnecting and disposing of the tandem canisters. While completing the tandem canister shutdown process, keep the vacuum suction on for all canisters until all ports are capped. On the first canister, disconnect the patient tubing from the patient port and securely cap the port. For Guardian and CRD systems, disconnect the tandem tube from the ortho port and securely cap the port. Disconnect the other end of the tandem tube from the patient port on the second canister and securely cap the port. Repeat until all tandem tubes are disconnected. For the Flex Advantage system, remove the tandem tube valve from the patient port on the second liner and securely press the cap over the end of the tandem tube valve. Cap the open patient port. Repeat these steps for all remaining liners. Do not remove the capped tandem tube from the tandem port. It will remain connected to the lid and disposed of with the sealed liner. Disconnect the red tubes from the vacuum ports across all canisters and securely cap the ports. Once all ports are firmly sealed across all canisters, turn vacuum suction off. Remove the sealed canisters or liners from the ring bracket or outer canister. When using the Flex Advantage system, the sealed liner and capped tandem tube assembly remain together. Dispose of canisters and tandem tubes in accordance with hospital protocol. It is recommended that all used and unused disposable canisters be discarded and subsequently replaced following each procedure. Medevac suction canisters and liners are single-use only and should not be reused. The roll stand, ring brackets, or outer canisters, vacuum manifold, and vacuum connecting tubing are designed for reuse. Do not discard. Maintain their position and connection on the roll stand for future use. Clean and disinfect in accordance with facility procedure. For additional information on using the Medevac suction canister systems, please contact your Cardinal Health sales representative or visit us online.